Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome to another video. Today I talk in this video about learning school and online learning. What is it and how does it work? So today I discuss about these topics. In the last 20 years, the internet has grown from being nearly non-existent into the largest, most accessible database of information ever created. It has changed the way people communicate, shop, social, do business and think about knowledge and learning. Much more than just a new twist on distance learning. Online school is changing the face of traditional classrooms and more accessible than ever before. Online education. Online education is form of education where students use their home computers through the internet. For many non-traditional students, among them all those who want to continue work full-time or rising families, online graduation and course have become popular in the past decade. Often online graduation and course programs, some of which are educated, use digital technologies, are provided via the online learning portal of the host university. Are distance learning, online learning and learning the same? What is online education? What is online education? Computer-based training, web-based training, internet-based training, online training, e-learning, electronic learning, m-learning, mobile learning, computer-aided distance education. Online education goes by many names and comes in a variety of styles, but at its core, online education is electronically supported learning that relies on the internet for teachers, students, international and the distribution of class materials. From the simple definition comes and almost infinite number of ways to teach and learn outside of traditional classroom and away from college campus. With online education, students can turn anywhere with internet access and electricity into a classroom. It can include audio, video, text, animations, virtual training environments, and live chats with professor. It is a rich learning environment with much more flexibility than a traditional classroom. When used to its full potential, online education has been shown to be more effective than pure face-to-face instruction. It can be engaging, fun, and tailored to almost anyone's schedule. Online learning, online education programs. 100% online education, fully online degree are earned from the comfort of your own home with no required visits to your college or university campus. Hybrid education. Hybrid education allows students to pursue a combination of online and on-campus course. Online course. Online course. While online course may be part of degree. Online course may be part of degree program. They can also be taken on their own in order to master a certain subject or learn a specific skill. And MOOCs or massive open online course are usually delivered in lecture from two online classroom with as many as 10,000 people. It is not easier studying online. Online institution must meet with the same quality requirement as brick and mortar instruction institution. With the advancement of online learning technology, virtual institution enhanced automated process to date fraud and or plagiarism. Many online institutions will partner with universities on campus to develop and deliver online programs. This enable an online service while providing validated course studies through the brick and mortar instruction to benefit from the advanced expertise and technology that an online provider provides. Free online course that you can take up from home. Online learning more about for online learning. How many times have you seen this proverb proving true in our life? In the end, we only legal the chance we didn't take. As we grow up, we constantly compromise on our dreams and aspirations because we have responsibilities to fulfill. Don't we feel bad for not taking up the music lesson that we always wanted to because we had to prefer we had to prefer for the engineering entrance exam. Thankfully we now have thankfully we now have plenty of online course on offer that lets us purchase anything that we want from the comfort of our home, and most importantly we can purchase such online course based regular education or job. Most of the online course have short duration that regular course, and you are awarded with certification on complication too. So here are 11 free online courses that you can take off anytime. If the sight of blank papers and sketch pens have always excited you, and you spend most of your free time drawing and dawdling, then it's time to take our hobby to another level and learn graphic design online. If you have a creative bent of mind, especially when it comes to express ideas through sketching and design, try your hand and Photoshop and other popular graphics designing software and learn to build creative website and much more. Find the list of top graphics design institution. Find the list of top graphics designing institutes here. By learning data analysis, you can help companies take more informed business decisions through analyzing transaction data and other forms of data that otherwise could not be tracked by conventional business intelligence programs. There are many organizations and online business schools that offer big data and business analytics course where you be taught about creating, testing and analyzing data. Online MBA programs are very popular these days, specifically of working professional who could afford to purchase full-time MBA. Online MBA programs are offered by various programs institutes. They have online MBA programs are offered by prestigious institutes. So viewers, thanks for watching our video, and we hope you understand about this online learning school and online learn. Thank you.